guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I know it's been a while since I've done an update on the Jeep, but today, this is everything I use to do a full spring cleanup. So as you can see here, I have just finished. Not only did we just get brand new Toyo Open Country tires for the Jeep, just installed today. Today, I spent the last 6 hours completely detailing the entire Jeep. Now, the floor mats, I've still got to get put back in. They're still sitting on the yard. But everything else is absolutely spectacular in the way that it came out. Now, I wanted to make a video just kind of going over real quick exactly what do I use to get my vehicle to look the way that I do. Now, again, the seats, absolutely shiny. The bottom, these are just protectors, but these are absolutely shiny. All the door trim, the door around, everything you see has been cleaned up. Now, to go over exactly what I use for each thing, we're going to start with Turtle Wax Wheel and Tire Cleaner. So that cleans the wheels and the tires. I use a small scrubby brush. I use 3 things when I clean the wheels. So we use a scrubby brush on the actual tires. Then I come back with the woolly gerbil, with the woolly gerbil to clean the wheels and drums and the barrels. And then we have the detail brush to get into all of the nuts and bolts and get anything that you can't reach with the rest of that stuff. Now, as for the vehicle, same thing. Bucket, a microfiber chamois that also has the scrubby side on the back for anything that's a little bit more stubborn. And again, on this, I use the Meguiar's Gold Class car wash. Now, this is a shampoo and conditioner, and it is great for snow foam, which is what I use to fully get, which is also what I use. Now, for the inside, for the seats and dash and everything else is just Meguiar's Natural Shine Protectant with Scotchgard. Now, when I say everything inside, I mean everything from the door cards to the seats, the leather back, the center console, the dash, the stereo, everything that you do inside, anything from basically inside the car itself is all done with the Meguiar's. And like I said, I mean, just absolutely comes out spectacular the way that I clean this. Now, again, this shouldn't take you, if you're going to properly do this, should take you a few hours. I mean, I can't tell if you can even tell how clean this. Now, this is a 2019 with almost 40,000 miles. And I mean, the paint is still absolutely spectacular. So for the paint, I have praised this before. I have left some, I've done a couple shorts with this. You guys have absolutely loved this. I'm telling you right now, ceramic spray coating hybrid solutions from Turtle Wax. Absolutely my favorite. And the reason why I love this stuff so much is because you can use it on everything, from the glass to the plastics to the paint, trim pieces, everything. You can use it on the entire vehicle. You simply spray it, wipe it, flip the rag over, wipe it dry. That is it. Now, I will say that the trim itself was starting to show becoming very, very dull. Now, if you take a look under here, you can kind of see the difference from up here versus down here. So up here, I used what I'm about to show you. Down here, I did not, primarily just so I can show you guys the difference. There's not a huge difference. I mean, there is a little bit. But basically what this is the Cerakote ceramic trim coat. Ceramic coating for your trim pieces. Now, this is specifically for all of your black trim that you have on your vehicle. Now, on this Jeep, or on my Jeep, the only thing that I used this on was just the trim on the bottom, around the wheel wells, across the bottom, and then of course on the bottom of the front bumper. I also used it up in here, and you can still kind of see where it's a little wet. The camera definitely makes it look a lot better. It is a little blotchy in certain spots. I don't know if the camera can pick that up or not, but you can definitely see how it definitely is not completely uniform. And I went over this a bunch of different times, but I mean, from, you know, say 10 inches away, I mean, it looks absolutely killer. Moving on to the last thing that I like to use, and this is the best that I've found so far, is the Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Tire Shine. Now, I use this in combination with just a cheap, from Walmart, I think they're like $3, the little foam applicator pad. And basically all I do is I like to spray it onto the applicator and then just dab it onto the tire. And as you can see, I put this on a few hours ago, and it is still absolutely wet looking and makes the Jeep absolutely gorgeous. So I just kind of wanted to make a quick, maybe say 5-6 minute video just going over exactly what. So I just wanted to make a quick, 5-6 minute video just kind of going over exactly what I use. And I know everybody's always asking about that Turtle Wax ceramic sign, so I decided I'd make a video showing you everything that I use when I do a full detail on my car. It's not a lot of products. Same thing, pressure washer is just, focus, is just a, I think it's a Portland from Harbor Freight pressure washer, upgraded line, and the upgraded smaller nozzle on the end. And again, Husky floor mats, I swear by those. And then just, you take your time, wash it, clean it, make it look, but like I said, I just wanted to make a video for you guys just showing you exactly how just magnificent this is after a full detail. And like I said, this Jeep is my wife's Jeep. This is a 2019 Jeep Compass. If I can show you real quick. Right there, 35,000 miles. So, and like I said, she uses this on the daily basis. This is, she drives this every single day to and from work. I try to keep it as best I can. Mine definitely needs some love out there. I have not washed it since the fall of last year when I did my full clay bar and then the Turtle Wax ceramic shine, but she definitely needs an update. I might actually make a full video on that for you guys. So again, I will leave a link in the description of everything that I use. Again, car wash, tire shine with the Chemical Guys, ceramic Turtle Wax, Meguiar's natural shine, Turtle Wax tire and wheel, and then this ceramic. You're only supposed to use this every 6 months, but it's by Cerakote, and it's really, really, really good. Sorry about the trash over here in the corner. I know I try to keep that out of the video. We're kind of going through some stuff. But again, I just wanted to give you guys an update as to how the Jeep is holding up. And again, absolutely gorgeous, slick. This stuff is just super hydrophobic, and I just can't talk enough about it. I am super excited. I took a little bit of time off making videos. I'm going to get back on it. We're going to have a bunch of stuff coming for the truck and for the Jeep as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, as it really helps the analytics on the channel, helping the channel grow. We are over 700 subscribers, which is absolutely incredible. Thank you guys so much for giving me the support that I try to give the best. Thank you guys for the support for almost 700 subscribers. I can't do this without you guys giving those thumbs up and those subscriptions. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment on what you think of what I use, how I use it, and what you think of the results of the actual vehicle. As always, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you next time.